What's the deal, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kendra. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. Oh my goodness, I have been MIA and y'all have continuously supported me. I know y'all wondering, Kendra, where you been at? Y'all, the Supercharger is still down, so still trying to get it rebuilt. I'm not sure how many shows I'm gonna make. I'm here riding the Hellcat today, so I'm a passenger, and y'all know I like driving. But I'm out here at the Ferrata Early Risers meet. Y'all, it's so sunny out here, but it is actually a nice day. Pretty cool weather for it to be Houston. So I'm just gonna show y'all a few cars that they got out here. I am totally missing my baby, but we're gonna get back on the road soon enough. I have a few things that I've done. Randall actually surprised me, so I'm gonna show y'all some footage of that in another video of what he's done to kind of cheer me up since the Supercharger is still down. But like I said, we're gonna get it worked on. We're gonna get back in these streets, but I do have a mod coming for y'all, so y'all gonna want to make sure that y'all stay tapped in for that next video. But for today, we just gonna kick it. Let's get into it. We got the Jeep fam out here. I don't know, y'all. I've been thinking about getting me a Jeep so I can take the doors off. They came out here deep too. That's how I'm trying to be with the doors off. They got the blue. You already know. Alright, so all the Jeep fam right here. We got some cars on that side too. We're gonna keep making our way though. Mopar Marcus with his Scarlet. We didn't see him at Comic-Con before. Let me go see. See a Trackhawk over here. I know, since I'm missing my baby. I think I follow him on Instagram. Belgian wheels. All the import folks. The race seats in there. Ooh, the sun ain't no joke, y'all. Let's go check out Legendary car. So he just got, I know it's charged up. Them lights. With the bronze finish. All Got a few Underground Nation over here.
Name? No.
Wide body Ferrata wheels. He just bolted up on Ferratas. Oh, he got his F. He did the little details because it was a red F typically on Ferratas. He ain't got nothing red on here, so I was actually thinking about changing mine, and he done it, so I'm gonna need to do mine. But he got the fade from the honeycomb, purple to black, 392 Madness. Y'all make sure y'all following him. His sponsor roll call. So I did the sponsor roll call banner. So y'all get at me if you trying to put your sponsors on the back, but he done came out with a little something, and y'all already know. Signature just to finish it off. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is the color his car used to be, and I really love this color. I don't know, it's like a mocha or remind me of like the coffee shop. They on Ferratas. That look real nice. Love that color. Like, I ain't mad at the little accent right there too. Look like they finna do some raffles over here. Alright, so let's check out some of these wheels they got. I don't even think I see mine up here. Is that a graphite face? Okay, yeah, I guess those are the ones that I have up there. That face looks black. Mine is actually graphite. Hey Chris, how you doing? Y'all, so I was just tapping in to promise y'all that I have not fallen off the face of the earth. It's just been in her ways. Jeep still been in the garage, but we hopping out there. This is the first step, getting out, hanging out with some of my fam in the car community, see what they all working with. Some folks that hopped off the block and got them some new wraps and stuff, so everybody is looking good. I'm ready to come back harder than before, so y'all better make sure that y'all stay tapped in if y'all want to see kind of the next things that I got going on with the Jeep. So until next time, I'll holler at y'all later.